my whole trading career has been evolutionary, and I have discovered a great way, and I mean great way, to trade the dollar index. I've been trading it here recently for the last several months. It has been outright amazing how the dollar index works against the currencies. Here's how it works. What you're looking at, the dollar index. The dollar index is comprised of a basket of currencies. It's called a basket of currencies. The euro, the Swiss, the SEK, the Canadian dollar, GBP, and the JPY. Of course, we're not going to trade the SEK or the JPY. JPY is just way too much on sake, and the SEK has a good 20 pip spread, so we're not going to trade those. Now, the amazing part that I have discovered is, you see each one of these squares right here? If you trade the 6 currencies, or the basket of currencies all at the same time, each square is worth about 100 to 125 pips, trading all 6 currencies. The beautiful part about trading the dollar index is it is very sensitive to trend line breaks, which makes it very user-friendly and simple to trade. The other thing that it is sensitive to, and it gives you an idea right here. You see right here, this trend line break, here's the market's in a downtrend, and this is just a pullback right here, just a straight pullback. Look, and I want to show you what took place. Look at the dates, everybody. This is 6/5/66, and I traded this pullback right here, and with just at $1 a pip, and look at how the euro paid me 79 pips, the GBP paid me 24 pips, the US dollar or Swiss paid me 60 pips, the Australian dollar paid me 34 pips, and the New Zealand dollar paid me 41 pips. Like an idiot, I traded the JPY. I don't know why. I hate that currency. I lost 28 pips, and the Canadian dollar right here paid me 49 pips. A total of roughly 230 pips for the day. Now, see, trading a basket of currencies, this is what I've learned also. It takes away the hero to zero mentality, which means, you know, if you only trade one currency at a time, by the end of the day, you either lose or you win. And this takes away the hero or zero because of the different currencies that you're trading. You're trading 6 currencies at a time. Now look at this. I traded this Morningstar and took the ride right up here, just up to here, just following this trend line, these bullish candles, and got out at the first red candle, and look at what it netted. That was the second day. It netted on 6/7, 37 pips GBP, 18 pips Euro, 12 pips Swiss, 35 pips New Zealand dollar, 32 pips Canadian, 66 Australian dollar, and that came out to a little over 200 pips. Just that move. Now, what I want you to see is that this is really great in trading fundamentals. I don't know how many of you have taken the fundamental class, but look at this fundamental. Here is this hammer on this fundamental. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to be real frank with you. This is non-farm payrolls. Non-farm payrolls on last Friday. What it did is it immediately dipped. One of the things I do is I teach how to trade fundamentals. And once it dipped and held its position and then took out these highs right here, I immediately got in. Now, when I got in, because it immediately dipped. Now look at, I'm trading 200K lots, which isn't a whole lot, but I immediately went into the red, $1,000, which if I was trading, you know, $1 a pip, I would have gone into the red. Let's see, $1 a pip to 40. I would have gone into the red. What, $45 would that be? Roughly $45. But then look at how it started to come back from that hammer. It took me back to 53. And look at how the New Zealand dollar started to rally. The U.S. Canadian dollar started to rally. The Australian dollar started to rally. Swiss franc didn't take off Swiss franc didn't take off. GBP didn't take off, and Euro didn't take off yet. But then they started to take off. Look at how my account went literally in minutes to $889.54. Then it went off to $2,280. And then here's what took place. Now you got to remember, each one of these is worth 100 pips. Each mark is worth 100 pips. At the first sign on this bearish candle, the market pulled back a little bit. It pulled back, went all the way from $2,200 back down to $1,124, then began to rally again, and just this little rally allowed me to get out with 22.32 in for the day.